Hello and welcome to this week's workshop. Today we're going to be experimenting with Floetrol and having a look at what happens if I use Floetrol only as a pouring medium. If you're new here and you enjoy experimenting and improving your craft, then you're more than welcome to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to press the bell notification icon so you don't miss any future posts. Today I'm measuring around 4 grams of Floetrol and about 1 to 2 drops of paint and as much water as I think I need. I know that's vague, but it's the truth. Water is very much trial and error. I have again raised my canvas on some board pins, though I must say it is getting pretty annoying with these canvases because they are quite thin and the pins are not staying in always. One corner pretty much always falls out. I'm again going for a smooth finish after the pour, so I'm covering my canvas with a white fluid paint also mixed with Floetrol, and I can definitely see that the Floetrol is making the paint level much better. So this is a Dirty Cup TreeRing pour, I hope I got that right, and I can already tell that the Floetrol allows for much better movement onto the canvas. More of the colors have been retained and have not muddied up as much or at all like the PVA has a tendency to do from what I have seen so far anyway. You can already see some cells trying to form, so I got the torch out to help them out a bit, and I must say I'm very happy with this pour. You can even see some bigger cells in comparison to my previous pours, and this is without any silicone. I went over some finishing touches to cover up the edges and add a bit more contrast, and then I just let the piece sit and do its thing. I really like this pour. It reminds me of coral reefs or underwater, so let me know down in the comments below what you make out of this pour. Also, let me know how I can improve next time. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe. I'll see you next time.